We are almost near Rustaveli metro station. You see McDonald's is here. That building, that is McDonald's. And now we will go with you to the shop. So guys, we are in the center of the city. The monument to Shata Rustaveli, Rustaveli metro station, and we go this way. Hello guys, and welcome to different Russia channel. Today we are with you in Tbilisi, in the capital of Georgia, and we are going to Badagi Churchkhela shop. So they say that is the best Churchkhela shop in Tbilisi. So we will go and check it. Of course, we'll buy something, some sweet gifts from Georgia. It's Hotel. Again, some street market. Арбуз какой цен?
Арбуз лар 15. 1 лар 15.
1.15 liras, the price of 1 kilogram of watermelon. And here no prices, but I think they are approximately the same everywhere. The prices, guys, on black coffee: espresso, americano, 2 liras. That is about $1 American. 5 liras, guys, $2 American. So here the coffee is approximately $1-2 American. A small coffee shop. So guys, must be somewhere here around the corner. So guys, I went the wrong way again. Have to go back. I have already passed the street where I had to turn. Oh, success, guys. We're near the shop. Badagi, the name of the shop. Very cool inside the shop. The woman is buying something, so now we will also buy something from here. from that side. Is there any difference between the nuts? The same nuts,
Yes.
but this one bigger.
Yes.
That is the difference.
This is big.
Big, and this one just small.
Please don't touch.
One piece.
That's all.
They are all different. So guys, that is my purchase. I bought 5 different Churchkhela sticks. This one is the most expensive, 7 liras, and the total price about 9 American dollars. 20 liras. But Churchkhela, guys, in internet I read that here is the best Churchkhela shop. As far as I could understand, there is no much difference between all these sticks. There are 2 types of nuts, hazelnuts and walnuts, and the difference is in the size. The whole pieces, half of the piece of nuts, so, and they put in some syrup, so that's the difference. So Badagi shop, very small one. I expected it to be much bigger, so a small one, but as people write in internet, here is the best quality of Churchkhela. We will check. So guys, go with you to the other side of the street along the underground passage. The center of Tbilisi. Some equipment, tripods, the light. And incredibly much graffiti on the walls. The street market. Some DIY souvenirs. Unknown musical instruments. Unknown for me, I mean. The monument to Staveli. And here is the metro station of Staveli. And as far as you can understand, I go to McDonald's. That is the local delivery.